Okay, if you notice here, I'm going to do this in red. First one, following the model y equals mx plus b. If you notice here, everything's in the wrong place. So I'm going to make my life easier and just switch everything, but also changing the signs. So if I switch this over here, it becomes positive 2y. If I change this over here, it becomes negative 2x. And if I change this over here, it becomes plus 4. And as you can see, we're almost done. Just need to leave the y alone, so divided by 2. And up with y equals negative 2 divided by 2 would be negative 1x. And then 4 divided by 2 would be 2. So here we have the equation y equals negative x plus 2, because usually we leave that 1 invisible, right? So here we're starting point with our y-intercept would be 2. And my slope happens to be a negative 1, but we need a rise over run, so every time you have a regular number you put it over 1, and that gives you the rise over run, which is change of y, negative goes down, over change of x, positive goes to the right. So from here you're going to go 1 down and 1 to the right. And of course the opposite direction of that would be to go 1 up and 1 to the left, right? Just to finish off the line here. And then the other one, I'm going to do it in blue. Again, following our model, y equals mx plus b. So if you notice here, again, I got everything in the wrong order. Almost everything. This y should go over here, and this negative 7 should go over here. So it becomes negative y equals, I'm going to leave the 10 there, and then I'm going to bring the negative 7 right here, change the signs to positive 7. And I can do my HmWk, which gives me this equation here. Like HmWk, basically I'm just multiplying everything by negative 1 on the right and the left, changing all my signs. And pretty much that's it. I left the y by itself now. So our y-intercept is negative 7. And our slope is negative 10, but we need a rise over run, so we put negative 10 over 1. So that gives you change of y is negative, goes down. Change of x is positive, goes to the right. So I'm going to go 10 down. Oops, I can't, so then I would have to go the opposite direction. 10 up and 1 to the left. 1, 2, well, that should be 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 1 to the left. And I believe that's pretty much all we can do there. So we're going to try to connect the dots there with 2 points as best we can. And it looks like our intersection is right there, which happens to be the point negative 1, 3. Our x is negative 1, our y is 3. Okay. And that's our answer there.